Okay, hi guys. We're here with Alexa Ilacad. Hi, Alexa. How old is? What's the name of your baby?
This is Blush. She's turning 10 this January 28.
So, why did you decide na ipapicturean si Blush?
Because, like I mentioned, she's turning 10. So, senior citizen na yun in 12 years. And I just want to make sure that I have a professionally shot photo shoot or photos with me and Blush so that I have memories to keep of her syempre. Especially now, she still looks like a baby and I want to remember her this way forever. So I really want to have a photo shoot. And I feel like 10 is parang milestone sa life ng mga dogs, di ba? So I think perfect time to have her first actual, legit photo shoot.
Okay. Thank you so much for trusting our team, Alexa.
Thank you so much.
We hope you had a wonderful time.
Super. Blush was so game and so professional and she was really comfortable shooting with you guys. So I'm so happy. Say thank you, Blush.
Thank you.